Tashidelek and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Tibetan numbers. What you see here in colors are Tibetan numbers from 1 to 10. Learning numerical numbers is very essential in any languages because we use numbers in conversations all the time. There are few techniques in learning Tibetan numbers and you will learn everything today. Alright, first let's start with the 10 basic numbers. 0 in Tibetan is lekor, lekor. 1 in Tibetan is chik, chik. 2 in Tibetan is ni. 3 in Tibetan is sum. 4 in Tibetan is shi. 5 in Tibetan is nga. 6 is tuk. 7 is dun. 8 is ge. 9 is gu. 10 is chu. So let me read from 1 to 10 once again in Tibetan. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu. And let's not forget the 0, that is lekor, lekor. Here we have number 1 to 10 in the first row. Let me read the numbers in Tibetan once again to get used to it. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu. At the top of column, we have 10, 20, 30 to 100. And in Tibetan, let me read them once again. Chu, nishu, sumchu, shipchu, ngapchu, tukchu, dunchu, gechu, guchu, gya. Now, please look at the direction of arrows here. The arrow direction starts downward vertically and then moves horizontally leftward. So let us learn to say 11, 12 to 20 in Tibetans. You start with chu in the column and add chik from row. So we have chu, chik. Same applies to rest of numbers till 9. Let me read them. Chu chik, chu ni, chu sum, chu shi, chu nga, chu tuk, chu dun, chu ge, chu gu, nishu. Now, from 20 onwards, we have to use certain numerical particles in the middle of numbers, as written here in the table. For example, number 22 in Tibetan is nishu. So we use the particle za, which is in the middle of column and row, and then number 2 for Tibetan is ni. So it comes to nishu za chik, or nishu za ni, nishu za ni. All right. Now, can anyone try the numbers 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, and so on till 106 in Tibetan? Just keep in mind what numerical particles to use. Otherwise, it's very easy, right? Amy, do you want to go on? All right, please go on.
Chu, druk, nishu, za druk, sumchu, so druk, shifu she druk, gab chu na, druk, drup chu, ray druk, dun chu don, druk, gyo chu ji druk, gu chu go druk, gaya, dong, druk.
Thank you, Amy. That was wonderful. Here's a table once again for you to get an overall picture. Finally, we have another table. Numbers are 100, 200, and so on. All you need to do is to add the numerical particle gya. You start with a particular number 1 to 9 in the rows, in the first row, you see, and add numerical particle gya. So for example, for 300 in Tibetan, you have sum for 3 and then numerical particle gya. So gya means 100, and we have sum gya. So let me read all of them once again. So there will be chikya, nyikya, sumkya, shipkya, ngapkya, trukya, duingya, gekya, gupkya. And 1,000 in Tibetan is tong. So same techniques of numbers. 100 applies to 1,000 as well. So we have chik tong, ni tong, sum tong, shi tong, and so on. Well, I truly hope this helps you to learn Tibetan numbers. In the next video on Tibetan numbers, I will cover some of important usage of Tibetan numbers and Tibetan language conversations. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can create more such contents for you. Thank you. Tukjiche, Kadingche.